Good morning. Good morning. Thank you.
Explain history to all of us. Our mind always tries to know about the space around us. Understanding the space will be helpful to us in many ways. Space research provides information to understand the environment of the Earth, change of climate and weather on the Earth. Exploring the space will be help us to answer many of the challenges we are facing these central days. Discovery of problems.
This is my routine development survey. This one explains how I will respond to this. The part of mathematical is the rocket. It provides the initial history of the amazing lens. When I operate this model, it shows around 7 million rockets. The middle part represents the main rocket, which carries the fuel and controls the flight. The top portion represents the reaction. As the gas is sinking downward, the rocket will move to human space. Gaganyaan is India's first human spaceflight mission developed by the Expo. The main aim of this mission is to send human astronauts.
Respected judges, this model shows Earth and geostationary satellite. It is a satellite that stays in a fixed position above Earth and continuously sends signals. The blue sphere represents Earth and the satellite is shown with solar panels and an antenna. A geostationary satellite satellite is placed at the height of about 36,000 kilometers above the equator and orbits Earth in 24 hours, which is the same time Earth takes to rotate once. Because of this, the satellite appears fixed above one place on Earth. This is why geostationary satellites are used for TV broadcasting, weather monitoring, and communication. Thank you. I'm Justin Sultana. I feel happy to explain about constellation. Stars are the fundamental building blocks of galaxy. A group of stars form an imaginary outline and meaningful pattern of the space. They represent an animal, biological person, creature, a god, or an object. This group of stars are called constellation. People in different cultures and countries are adapted with their own set of constellation. They are 88 formally accepted constellation. Aries, Gemini, Leo, Orion, Aquarius, and Consortia are some of the constellations. Thank you.
My name is Edward. Today I'm going to explain about black hole in a simple way. Black hole is a region in space where gravitational force is extremely strong. It is formed when a very big star finishes its fuel and collapses. When this happens, all the mass of the star gets packed into a very small area, creating a huge gravity. The gravity of black hole is so powerful that nothing can escape, not even light. That is why we call it as black hole because we cannot see it directly. Black holes are important because they help scientists to understand space, time, and gravity. They show us how powerful and mysterious our universe is. Thank you.
I'm Naresh. Today I'm going to explain satellite communication. The satellite surely is an artificial satellite that revolves around the Earth with a solar panel which provides power. When we make a phone call, watch TV, use GPS or communicate with airplane or ship, the signal first goes from a mobile phone or ground station to the satellite. The satellite receives the signal and sends it back to another place on Earth. This helps a long distance communication across countries and oceans. Thus, I would like to conclude by saying that satellite helps to connect the entire world. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Of the sunlight and its shadows falls on the earth. This occurs only on a full moon day. The lunar eclipse happens when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. The earth blocks the sunlight and its shadows falls on the moon. This occurs only on a full moon day. Eclipse do not happen every month.
Today I'm going to explain the day and night event on the Earth. The sun is the main source of light. The Earth rotates on its own axis once in about 24 hours. Because of this rotation, only one side of the Earth faces sun at that time. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to explain about Earth rotation and revolution. This model shows rotation and revolution of the Earth. The Earth rotates on its own axis once in every 24 hours. This rotation causes day and night. The Earth revolves around the sun once in about 365 days. This movement causes revolution. The Earth's axis is tilted. So during revolution, different parts of Earth receive different amount of sunlight. So this rotation causes because of seasons like summer, autumn, winter, spring occur. Thus rotation causes day and night and revolution along with the season and year. Thank you.
Now I am going to tell about Project Director of Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan 1, Dr. Mayasamy Annadure. Chandrayaan 2, Vanita Mataya. Chandrayaan 3, Dr. P. Veeramuthu Dev.
And go to match the name of the scientist.
Thank you.
This model represents structure of solar system with sun at its center. Sun is system that provides heat, light, energy to all planets. 8 planets revolve around sun in fixed path called orbits. These planets are held in their path by sun's gravitational force. The inner planets are rocky while the outer planets are gaseous in nature. The distance of each planet from the sun affects its temperature and atmosphere. Asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. Each planet takes different time to complete one revolution around the sun. The entire part of solar system is in a Milky Way galaxy.
going to explain about my telescope. This is my telescope model which is used for distant objects such as the moon, stars, and planets. A telescope works by collecting light from far away objects using an objective very small lens. This light is then magnified by light, makes the object appear bigger and clearer. The main parts of this telescope are the lens, eyepiece, tube, stand. The tube keeps the light focused and stand helps the telescope study for clear observation. Telescopes are very important in space science because they help scientists to study about the planets, galaxies, and stars and understand the universe. By better powerful telescopes like Hubble and James Webb are well able to see very distant galaxies. So I conclude by saying that a telescope is one of the most important tools in astronomy that helps humans to explore the vast universe. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am going to talk about control. This is the control of the brain of space machine. From here, scientists and engineers might have satellite and rocket space machine. They receive signals from space, track the position of spacecraft, and send commands for launch, landing, and experiment. Without the control room machine like Chandrayaan, satellite cannot operate successfully. Which can house components. Most in a low Earth orbit at approximately 400 km distance. It is also a science lab. Its very first work was placed in orbit in 1998 and its core constellation was completed by 2011. It is the largest man-made object in space which can also be seen from the Earth through the naked eyes. The first human group went to the ISS in 2000. Ever since that it has never been unoccupied by humans at any capacity. At least 6 human children present in ISS. Thank you.
Space concept shows amazing facts about space. Here we can see pictures of planets, stars, galaxies, and black holes. Some big stars can become a black hole. The solar system chart shows the sun around it and planets around it. The space concept shows amazing facts about space. Here we can see pictures of planets, stars, galaxies, and black holes. Some big stars can become a black hole, and planets are around it. The rocket posters explain how we can go to space. This section helps us to learn about space fun and easy way. Thank you.
and potassium permanganate are used in the reduction and thus producing oxygen gas. Good morning everyone. Welcome to our Science Expo. This is the model of the modern periodic table. Horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods in the periodic table. Vertical columns are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. Few elements. There are 8 few elements which are available in the periodic table.
And nitrate is added to aqueous solution of potassium iodide. The reaction is called as double displacement reaction.
The solution of sodium hydroxide and sugar. This is potassium permanganate. This is called chemical reaction.
Sound come from the spoon.
The aqueous solution of lead nitrate is added to aqueous solution of potassium iodide. The reaction is called as double displacement reaction.
The effect of this is a hot forming substance which is caused by hydrogen peroxide, potassium iodide, and water.
An acid turns blue liquid paper into red. And base turns red litmus paper into blue.
Sulfuric acid is added to sodium carbonate, debris level versus occurs.
When sulfuric acid is added to methyl orange, the reaction becomes pink in color.
Sabotage highlight the trail and India. Palm bridge can be explained as a large chemical system. The cyan and petrolizers induce a strong chemical that provides the calcium water. Salt CO2 sulfuric acid reduces trying to get the better part of the each version paints are applied showing the particles. The dust chemistry next year is maintaining that new replica of metal particles type.
This clear atomic structure is one atomic theory of molecular and atom small solid in a sphere. Next stage in Thomson model, he discovered the electrons and explained the atom as positively charged sphere with electrons inside. Then comes through the four atomic model. From the gold foil experiment, he proved that the atom has dense nucleus at the center. Electrons move around. Finally, this is Bosco atomic model. He explained the electrons move in a fixed energy level which is stable to atom. This model shows how atomic theory developed in step by step through the experiment. Thank you.
Happy morning.
The star that is famous known as Mars. It is found in Indonesia, beside Malaysia.
Hello? Yeah.
This is the model of world's largest flower replica. The flower replica is famously known as cock flower. It is 3 feet in diameter and 24 pounds in weight. Found in Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, and Thailand. Thank you.
This is the model of the world's largest animal. The machine is the largest and the largest in the world to have the resistance. Reaching to a height of up to 100 to 130 centimeters. They don't weigh as such much as an entire female African elephant. Animal kingdom is classified into types. Vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates have backbone while invertebrates do not. Characteristic features of invertebrates range. No internal skeleton and soft bodies but others is a part of the vertebrates of skeleton population. Types unlike vertebrates they can have radial symmetry or symmetry. Major growth snail, octopuses and clams, and in its segmented forms such as chest, singulars, aquatic characteristics cells such as jellyfish and corals.
education system. Okay, from the back to one. We have the point supports the
scientific principles remain in life even before science and changes like physics or chemistry. Today we will explain how ancient practicals are connected to modern scientific principles.
how can we develop respect? When we sentence to help cast a shadow on surface that the sun made across the sky. The shadow showed the heart. This was because of observation, light shadows and joints. Today we use clocks, watches, and atomic timers, but the principle is the same measuring in passage of time. There's a computer saying that from shadows on the ground. Ancient wisdom becomes the foundation of modern technology.
Nail and thread technologies. In ancient times, people used nail and thread technology. Nail acted as a center, thread fixed the movements. When the thread was stretched and moved around, all points stayed in the same distance from the center, forming a perfect circle. Scientifically, this was the base of geometry constant radius and forms of the motion action. Other modern tools like compass also follow the same principle. I conclude by saying that ancient tool applied geometry. This is the foundation. Ancient alarm system. In the ancient times, people used a candle as a alarm clock. They fixed a pin at a certain height of the candle. As the candles burnt at a constant rate, the wax melted. When it reached the pin fell through to the cavity and made a sound, waking them up. Scientifically, it works because of uniform combustion, heat transfer, and energy conversion. It shows that ancient people created an alarm system using natural processes.
Ancient time people made lamps using rice grains, water, oil, and cat ornaments. The water mixed to soil by capillary action, burning oil produces light. Oil floats on water because it is less density. Rice grains keep a rich stable. This proves that ancient wisdom was the foundation of modern science. Smart idea, smart solution, timeless knowledge. baby